Hello, and welcome to our review on how to graph an equation. This is a prerequisite for graphing systems, so if you forgot it from our last target, I'm going to review it quickly with you. How to graph a line. Let's look at our first equation here. Y equals 3x plus 1. This is in what we call slope-intercept. Y equals mx plus b. M is your slope, and B is your y-intercept. Okay? So, you want to identify those two pieces of information first. Our slope is 3, and our y-intercept is 1. Now, slope needs to be written in rise over run. So whenever it's a whole number, it's always over 1. 3 is our rise, 1 is our run. When you're graphing an equation, you always start at your y-intercept. So I'm going to go ahead and find 1. Since it's the y-intercept, it's on your y-axis. From your y-intercept, you want to rise and then run. You're going to rise 3, run 1. Rise 3, run 1. And then all you want to do is connect those with a line. Oop. Making sure all the points line up. And that is a graph of what your line should look like. So let's try that again. Given an equation, you want to first identify your slope and your y-intercept. Slope is always what's being multiplied by the x. So what's in front of our x or being multiplied by x? 1/2. Oh, I need my pen. Now this is already written in rise over run, so you don't need to put it over 1. One is your rise, how much you go up and down, and 2 is your run, how much you go left to right. Our y-intercept, a little bit more challenging. You notice you're taking away 3. If you leave at opposite, b is actually a -3. So where are we starting? We're starting right here at -3. Again, that's on your y-axis because b is your y-intercept, where you cross or intercept that y-axis. From -3, you want to rise 1, run 2. Rise 1, run 2. Once you have several points, you want to just go ahead and connect the dots. Beautiful. I'm going to erase those points. And that is a graph of what your line should look like. Last type of problem. Ooh, negative slope. Your slope is what's being multiplied by the x. In our case, it's -5. Oh, need my pen. We need it written as a fraction so that we have rise and run. What's always underneath the whole number is 1. Now we need our y-intercept, but there's nothing here. We know that your y-intercept, your b, is whatever you're adding. We're not adding anything. What number represents nothing? 0. So you're going to be starting at the origin at 0, 0. From here, you're going to rise -5. Now with the negative, instead of rising +5, we're actually going to go down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're at -5. Now you're going to run +1. Only one of those numbers is negative. You do not go down 5 and then -1. So let's go ahead and connect those. And I'm just going to erase those dots. Now, does this look like a line that has a negative slope? Yeah, it does. Remember, you read a graph from left to right, and as we move from left to right, the line, imagine you on it, you'd be going down. This is a person. That was a quick review on how to graph a line in Slope-Intercept. Have a great day.